Hi guys! Hi guys! Kaganda? Wow ah. Ang laki ah. Ako na yan. Pag yan. Okay, ako na yan. Wag mo na katahin.
I dropped my chocolate.
Okay. At di ka tumawa dun. It's a joke. Dapat tumatawa ka. Hindi siya tumatawa guys. Ang pangat niya kasama. Bad trap.
You ain't even got a love me. Wonder what I'll do when the cops come through and the whiskey's run out. Cause I've been looking at you since 2:30. Wanna take this on town. This liquid courage got me way too honest. Put your phone on vibrate, let's catch a vibe, babe, while the sun's down. Hush now, I know we're a little too fucked up to stay still. Love, be as quiet as you can, cause if anyone sees, they'll just blow shit up. I don't gotta know if you're taken, I just listen, no bedrooms vacant. No one's gotta know, just us and the moon till the sun starts waking. Up's the only door.
お待ちください。The next station is and stay with the yellow lines when riding the escalators.
It's a disco ball. He also gave us a blanket, guys. Fried rice. Kung masarap ang kanilang rice. Pero malamig.
I love pancakes. Parang same lang as Fridays to. Kumain ng
Hindi kita sa camera. Hindi kita. Kita?
ganun yung pagbang video, mag-vlogger. Hindi, gawa ko ganun.
Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. I'll make the most of the minutes and love with no regrets. Let's take the time to say what we want, use what we got before it's all gone.
Mali naman eh.
Oo, mali kayo ito, be?
Okay na yun! Hindi ko kasi kami sa
Mali
okay
naman
na
eh.
okay na yun. Anong choose nyo? Then,
Kita ba yung snow, guys? I-wait na lang.
Para tuloy ako may dandruff. Hi, vlog.
Dami yung dandruff, guys.
How about you?
Dami yung dandruff.
Ay mo na yan.
There's so many dandruff on your hair. Ew! Ew!
Kanina, guys, the snow was going.
Whoosh!
So we were walking.
Paano ka nag-walk?
Tapos na lumabas kami ng mall. Pag ano naman. Ano maglakad?
I also bought gift for my sister.